AI is now the electricity powering the home for the world's developers.
I came here, I got open source, and I got a fresh new deck.
We believe that our platform is fundamentally changing the way we all innovate.
It's definitely my favorite developer conference. It's a super energizing place to be.
We want to help the world accelerate human progress, and that starts by enabling developers to do more satisfying work that makes them happy.
It's a super welcoming conference and really has like a community feel to it.
Vibes are good, the expo is good, they've got the best booths, they've got an arcade.
Please join me in welcoming the CEO of Microsoft, Satya Nadella.
That's the most exciting thing that I think everyone in this room gets to participate in. Change their organization, help their organization achieve next level of transformation and productivity.
It's been a really, really awesome experience to get to talk to people from all different kinds of industries, open source, enterprise, really, really special place.
To build a brighter future, we all need to invest today.
Thank you so much for joining us today, and have a great GitHub Universe.